Success is no accident. It takes hard work, dedication, perseverance, learning, studying, and most of all, a love for what you do. Welcome back to our chemistry channel. Hi guys, hope you are doing well. Today's topic is a very interesting and exciting one. It's carbon and its compounds. Today's class is going to be an introductory class. As I already told, today we are going to see a new chapter. You guys already know about carbon, right? Let's tabulate what we know about carbon. We know that carbon is a non-metal and its electronic configuration is 2, 4 and thereby its atomic number is 6. Okay, I think that's all we know. Carbon is a really useful element. It is so useful that scientists tell us that life is not possible without carbon. Isn't that amazing? And it's also known as the building block of life. Let's prove this. First, let's see how carbon is used in our daily life. Come on, let's start from the time you wake up. What would you do as soon as you wake up? I'd probably brush my teeth. What do you use to brush your teeth? Brush, right? Do you know what is the composition of toothpaste? Calcium carbonate, calcium fluoride, sodium fluoride, and so on. But I use Colgate Charcoal Deep Clean. And for your notice, charcoal is a byproduct of carbon. I don't know about you, but I will use carbon toothbrushes. Then, next, I guess you bath. I hope you guys use soap, right? Soap is also a compound of carbon. Here is its chemical formula. Then, I guess you will use shampoo. And again, shampoo is also a compound of carbon. Then coming to clothes, majority of fiber used in your cloth is a byproduct of carbon. For example, nylon, terylene, polyester, and so on. Are you eager to know about the structures? I think you will have to wait till you reach the higher classes. Let's come to the fuel of our body. It's obviously not petrol and diesel. I think you know that carbohydrate, which is a compound of carbon again. It is the component of food which gives you energy. So, next time you go up gulping your lunch, remember that you are eating carbon. Don't you know that carbon is beauty conscious? The majority of the cosmetics are byproducts of carbon. I know that many of you like the smell of perfumes. They are so pleasant and aromatic. Aren't they? Aromatic means aroma, that is sweet smelling. So, the perfumes are also compounds of carbon. Next, coming to cooking oil. Let's imagine that your mom is cooking and she is frying some vada chicken 65 in the pan. For your kind information, I am not teaching cooking lessons for you. For cooking delicious vada and chicken 65, what is the main ingredient you need? Yes, it's oil. Oil is also the compound of carbon. Moving to the next one, that is petroleum, diesel, and other fuels. Nowadays, all of you know the price of petrol is increasing, and I know that many of you like to ride in your bikes, which is not possible now, and it is not advisable too. So, the petrol you use to run your bike is again a compound of carbon. Now, what do the artists use to make art? And what is inside your pen, which you are using right now? Think. Paints and ink, right? Even paints, inks, dyes are also byproducts of carbon. Man, carbon is everywhere, isn't it? Still, there is more. There are carbon finished products like car, carbon cam, even carbon fiber, carbon face mask, carbon pencils, and carbon. Well, that's tiresome. Yeah, you know very well the diamonds which are so costly are nothing but allotropes of carbon, and graphite is used in pencils. Coal and charcoal are also amorphous states of carbon. Coal was called the black gold in the early 90s. It's used in steam engines and coal power stations. Here is a carbon fact. Coal is the largest source of electricity in the world. About 72% of electricity in India is contributed by coal power plants. As you have studied, carbon is mixed with iron to make stainless steel, the most useful alloy, which is seen in our vessels and lot of other products. Above everything, plastics. Yeah, all plastic articles from polythene bags or water bottles to PVC pipes, all are made up of carbon compounds. Even alcohols and carbonated drinks, a medicine, and more. Yes, carbon is everywhere. Carbon dioxide, a compound of carbon, is what we exhale and is a very important factor in photosynthesis. So, I think you would be thoroughly convinced that from your toothbrushes to your nylon bedspreads, everything has carbon in them. When I say everything, I literally mean everything. Now, let's see the characteristics of this cool carbon. Tetravalency, allotropism, catenation, covalent nature. Carbon is tetravalent. It means it has 4 electrons in its valency shell. Tetra means 4, as you know it. Therefore, it can form 4 bonds with other atoms. Allotropism. Allotropism is the ability of carbon to exist in various forms like diamond, graphite, and fullerene. Since carbon is tetravalent, it can form bonds with 4 other carbon atoms, and each bonded carbon atom could form more 3 bonds, and it goes on like that. Covalent nature. Since it has 4 electrons in its valency shells, it can't lose 4 electrons to form C4 cation or gain 4 electrons to form C4 minus anion. There, it shares its electron with other nonmetals. This is just an introductory lesson, so don't be afraid if you didn't understand some concepts. I will elaborately explain these concepts again in the next video. Please leave a comment about your doubts because it will help me to concentrate in those places in the next video. Until then, bye from your Esther Miss. Bye.